147, 148, 149, 150. Sorry, only 150 people allowed in today's meeting.
Wait.
We're just gonna close that right up.
Wait, there's like a ton of spots
But
there.
it's the 150, you know, you needed to get here sooner. So if you want, you know, you can use one of these devices to listen in on the meeting. You know, you can kind of listen through the crack or,
Like
you know,
Okay.
you can just do that. 150.
145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150.
So you're waiting too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah. I can't wait to get another one. I get one pretty much like every week.
That's impressive. I haven't gotten any yet. What are you going to get this time?
I mean, judging by my sleeve, like, I think I'm probably gonna go standard, and 150 is really all I think about or know about. So.
Well, I mean, that's all we're thinking about.
Yeah.
Where are you going to get it?
Oh, thinking face, neck,
Okay.
somewhere really like prominent, so that people, you know, really think more about 150.
Well, I noticed you got something right here on your neck. Is that also for the 150?
Oh, no, actually, no. It has nothing to do with the seniors or 150. It's more about Bachelor, Bachelorette. It's actually my favorite show.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So what are you hoping to get today? This is Tats by Dre. These are some of the things that I can do. You know, we got a rose, a bear paw. We can go like 150 and CMA, things like that. So like, what are you thinking?
Yeah, I mean, you can see what I've been doing kind of all this year. It's really really the only thing that I would ever consider. So I really want something kind of in that realm to
Okay.
match this, so that
Okay.
people.
So
really,
we've kind
yeah.
of done the 150, but something along those lines.
Yeah, no, I think so. Just
Okay.
as long as it like matches the theme
Sure.
of everything, you know, we're doing.
I think I've got just the thing.
Yeah. Okay.
So have we made a decision?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I
Okay.
think so.
Great.
Well, let's get started.
Yep.
Come turn around here.
Just like
Let
right
me
here.
just get everything set up.
Yep. Thank you.
There we go.
Used to this by now?
I'm a professional, so
Okay.
we do this
Mm-hmm.
very well. Have you had a tattoo before? I see you've
Yeah.
had
Well,
quite a
like
few.
30 or 40. Yeah.
Okay. How do you handle this?
No, it's.
Okay.
it's
I'm just gonna need you to
yeah,
stay
okay,
still. Don't
yeah,
talk.
Okay.
Okay. It's not gonna hurt. Just stay still.
Okay, are we ready for the big reveal?
Oh my gosh!
All right.
I am so excited.
Great.
Tell
Let's
us
sit
what
you
you
up.
think.
Oh my gosh! It looks so good. My hair is still right. Like,
clay's
oh
all in the
my
right place.
gosh. This is perfect. It matches this so well. Thank you.
Mr. Yapley?
Yeah.
I need you to keep your remarks today at class meeting to 150 words.
Oh my gosh, this is awkward. You have told me that, but I thought you meant 150 slides.
I am unwritten.